It's been a little while since I've done an update on the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, I've got the chart open on my screen right now. What I'm quite impressed with, and I'm also quite bemused or puzzled by one other thing. But what I'm quite impressed with at the moment is, as you can see, the trend line that I drew originally here. Let me just extend this line a little bit because we're getting more or less to the end of it. Let's just put it there somewhere where it was. As you can see, Bitcoin is pretty much following the trend line that I've drawn for it. I'm pretty happy with the fact. It shows that my predictions were more or less right. I was going in the right direction, and also that we are definitely not in a bull, or rather in a bear market, as some people would suggest. This trend of going down, down, down would have started off by now. Although, we're not out of the woods yet. We might still have a retracement. And in fact, I am pretty sure we will have a retracement somewhere around. You'll see this support level, or rather this ceiling level here, of around 9,800. But I'm looking at around 10,000. Somewhere around 10,000, I'm expecting a little bit of a sell-off where people take some profits. It can't just keep going up without people really taking any profits. Although we have just had a little bit of a retracement, I can show you that now. I was actually quite amazed. Yesterday it dipped quite drastically and almost immediately returned, which is indication of a bit of a false breakout. Those two candles there, I've got it magnified now, and I'm on a one-day chart, so you can't really see it that well. But if I show you in an hourly chart, you can see it very well. But I'm not going to change to an hourly chart now. We had a little bit of a sell-off here, and then it almost immediately recovered, and we've lost a little bit over the last day, but really nothing to be worried about. What does concern me, or what would concern me, is this. As you can see, let me just get more of this onto the screen. As you can see, this support level that I've drawn in here long time ago, this is at about $6,000. You'll see we touched it there, we basically touched it there, we came close there, and we've touched it here. If we ever come back near that support level of $6,000 and maybe cross it again, then I'd be worried. Then I definitely think it would probably go down further, and well, who knows how far. It could be down to $4,000, $3,000, who knows. But I honestly don't think we are in that market. I think we are definitely in a bear market, or rather in a bull market, and prices are due to go up. The ETFs, we know that the ETFs are coming, and there's going to be a lead up to them where the prices are predicted are going to creep up slowly and then explode as the ETFs happen. This is all playing out so far very nicely, and I think we can look forward to some decent prices coming up in the near future. I'm looking at $50,000, $60,000 Bitcoin prices by the end of the year. That is my call it an educated guess, call it a prediction if you like. I think we're heading that way, maybe even higher. When this catches on, I think it's going to be like a runaway train, just like we had in December last year. It's going to take a lot to stop it. And as I said in one of the last videos I did, we are starting way higher than Bitcoin started last year. So if we multiply, they had more or less a tenfold increase in December. If we go tenfold increase from where we started here at say 6,000, we're looking at minimum $60,000 by the end of the year. I think that's going to happen, and I'm pretty confident about that. But I thought I'll just put this quick update out there just to show you what's happening, and let you know that yes, Bitcoin is keeping more or less to the trend line that I drew. I mean, the steepness of the trend line doesn't really matter. As you can see, if I stretch it out, the trend line gets a bit flatter. If I compress the chart, it gets steeper. But the chart, the trend line that I drew, is basically the progress that Bitcoin is making at the moment. I'm pretty happy with it. I think we are in for some good times ahead. Catch you later. And I know I haven't been doing this in my videos lately, which I should be doing. If you feel that you're getting any kind of value from my videos, entertainment value, even if it's just entertainment value, anything, please like, the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to get notifications of when I update new content, just click the bell icon and you will get an email and a notification in your YouTube channel, I think, of any new content. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm going to do a quick update on the Arbitrade Dignity token. There has been a little bit of progress, if you can call it that, and I'm going to just discuss it quickly. Catch you in the next one.